The Introduction to Cybercrime course provides a look into the technical aspects of computer cybercrime investigations. It correlates cyber situations with that of traditional investigations while focusing on the threats and attacks that are used by terrorists, hacktivists, and criminals. Counter tactics as well as methods to leverage the same tools, techniques, and processes for investigations will also be highlighted.
Live passive investigations of current targets is part of this course. The passive investigation is a method that helps determine what potential crimes are being or may be committed prior to an arrest and fully forensics investigation. This course is not a forensics course.
Once you have completed this course, you will be able to understand the challenges of digital evidence and crimes. Develop an integral asymmetric mindset. Understand the multitude of legal, ethical, and privacy-related issues associated with cybercrime investigations and correlate and address the impact that the cyber realm has within the criminal justice field.
The skills you learned in the Cyber Intelligence and a Cyber Counterintelligence courses will serve you well in the Introduction to Cybercrimes course. Take a look at Treadstone 71 now and get ready for cutting-edge courses that will help propel your career.